if you wish.
Call up with a fish.
Look at me! Look at me! I'm the cat with a cup and a cake on the top of my hat.
Our fish came down too. He fell into a pond.
Do I like this? Oh no, I do not. I will pick up the book. You will see something new. Two things. And I call them Thing 1 and Thing 2. They are tame. Oh, so tame. They have come here to play. No! Not in the house!
Isn't the fish in the pot?
They should not fly kites in a house. They should not! As fast as you can, think of something to do. You will have to get rid of Thing 1 and Thing
So as fast as I could, I went after my net.
Oh dear, you did not like our game. What a shame. What a shame. Some things before, we cannot pick it up. There's no way at all.
Have no fear of this mess.
Said the cat in the hat.
I always pick up my playthings, so I will show you another good trick that I know.
Then our mother came in and said to us,
Did you have any fun? Tell me, what did you do?
should we tell her about it? Now what should we do? Well, what would you do if your mother asked you?
It takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Stevie's World UK.